Anushka, welcome back to my channel. All of us are stuck in our homes right now and hence we cannot go out and get good pictures clicked like we used to. But there's nothing to worry because you can click amazing pictures of yourself by yourself at your home without any professional equipment or without anyone's help. Self-portrait photography is as easy as that. So basically today's video I'm going to share with all of you certain hacks that you can follow so that you can ace the self-portrait game as well. And without any further ado, let's get started. It was recently that my self-portrait started getting a lot of attention and a lot of love from all of you guys out there. Here are some of the self-portraits that I clicked and put up recently and that went crazy with the insights on Instagram. I am just going to share with all of you certain things that you can do in order to ensure that your self-portraits turn out to be amazing as well. Trust me, it is very easy and these tips are totally going to help you. Firstly, let me address the fact that you do not need a camera in order to ensure that your self-portraits turn out to be nice. Your phone will do just fine. I click my self-portraits on my phone, which is a Redmi Note 7 Pro, and it works out amazingly. So what I do is I use the front camera of my phone because it is a lot easier when it comes to using a front camera when you're clicking your own picture, because then you can exactly make out the frame and everything, whether your pose looks nice, whether your expression looks nice. It's almost like you're looking in the mirror and posing. So when you're clicking your own pictures by yourself, I think front camera works really fine. So just take out your phones and switch the front camera first. Moving on, set a timer. Timer is such a blessing. You can click such amazing pictures all because of this timer feature that is there in all of our phones. So I usually set my phone like a timer of 3 or 5 seconds. And another thing that I do, and which is one of the greatest hacks ever that I am going to be sharing with all of you, and that is going to make such a difference to your pictures, is turn on the flashlight feature even if you are using the front camera. It makes a hell lot of a difference to how your pictures turn out to be. It renders a very nice glow to your picture, and I don't know what actually happens when you use the front camera flash, but I just know that it makes an amazing difference to your pictures. So turn on the timer and turn on the flash of your front camera before you begin taking pictures. Moving on, you do not need a tripod in order to take self-portraits. I have a Gorilla tripod and it can actually be really helpful if I'm trying to take self-portraits with a Gorilla tripod, but I just feel that not using a tripod is much more convenient for me. And also for everyone out there, you do not really need to invest in a tripod or something. You can basically place your phone almost anywhere. It depends on the area where you're trying to click your self-portraits. So I place my phone almost anywhere and everywhere. I place my phone against a wall, against a door, inside a flower pot, anywhere, wherever I feel that my phone is not going to fall off and it is getting me a good shot. I just place it there and start clicking my pictures. But generally and most of the times I use a stool which comes still here if I'm sitting. I'm using it right now as well. I actually place my tripod on top of the stool when I'm shooting my YouTube videos. So that stool is like a boon for me. I'll put a picture of the stool somewhere out here, and basically if I want a shot in this angle, I take that stool and I stack up 2 or 3 books and I place the phone in front of the stack of books. And I mean, it's so convenient and everyone out there can do it. All of us have a stool in our home. Also, if you want a picture from a low angle, like my pictures with this guy, those are the pictures that I took from a low angle. So what I usually do when I want this low angle shots is to take a button like this, put my phone in it just like this, and then place it either on the floor or on top of the stool. If I place it on the floor, I'll get like a full length shot from a low angle, and if I place it on top of the stool, I'll get a portrait low angle shot. So this is basically how I click all my low angle shots, and this is how all of you can do that as well. Moving on, the best time to click your pictures is obviously during the day. I prefer clicking my pictures on days when it is sunny and everything, because sun is the best source of light for all your pictures. However, if the sun is too bright, I prefer not facing the sun full-fledgedly because it renders a lot of shadows on your face, which doesn't turn out well in pictures. So I usually prefer standing opposite to the sun, or I let the sunlight fall on my face from one side. Now talking about the background, it can be anything and everything again. You can turn the ugliest of the backgrounds into the best of the backgrounds in your pictures. All of it depends on how good you are with posing, angle, light and everything. The hacks for which I have discussed already. So basically the background can be anything and everything. It depends on what kind of pictures exactly are you looking for. Lastly, talking about the posing bit, all I have to say about this is that let go. If you are clicking your own pictures, there's nobody who's watching you. You're all by yourself. So just be confident and go all out. Brace yourself, be confident and just pose. Play around with your hands, play around with your postures, play around with your expressions. And you'll obviously be able to make out what is looking good and what is not because you will have the front camera on. Just take reference from how each pose and expression is looking and just experiment, explore and have fun. That's all for today's video. I hope this video really helped you. There are a lot of videos on self-portrait ideas over the internet today. So I thought that I should share with all of you certain hacks that you can follow that will ensure that your self-portraits look amazing. No matter what the concept is or no matter what the idea is or no matter what are you trying to click. So I just hope that these hacks really help you. Also, if you want me to make a video on self-portrait ideas, let me know in the comment section below. I might as well make a video on that after you guys have watched this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My username is right here for a daily dose of self-portraits. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, bye!